Good day, people. Seth McGinn with CanCooker. Today, we're gonna go over our collapsible batter bowl. Great product. The problem with the majority of them is storage. This one collapses down. Easy to store when you're done. Also, dishwasher safe. So when you're done, have a mess, pop it in the dishwasher, top rack. Collapses down, open it up, add your breading, batter, whatever, beef, chicken, seafood, pork, pickles, onion rings. Add your breading, throw in whatever it is you want to batter, throw the strainer in, pop out the other one, lock it down, it's airtight. So then you take it, shake it up, no leaking mess with all the batter, flour, evenly coats. When you're done, open it up, take it out, fry it, bake it, air fry it. Other nice thing, camping, tailgating, nice portable dish. If you want to throw a salad in, whatever. Using a CanCooker, need something to serve it out, got a companion, make a meal, dump it in there. Other cool feature most people don't know, you can use it as a steamer. Add some liquid in there, add some asparagus, cauliflower, put the top lid on loosely, stick it in the microwave, a couple minutes, evenly steam your vegetables. Great product, easy to use, and when you're done, space-saving design. Throw in dishwasher, clean it, and put it away. For this product and more, CanCooker.com.